there's a difference between being alone and feeling lonely. In today's world where we've touched the moon and AI can write music, our minds are still stuck in survival mode. Thousands of years ago, we had to stay in groups. Why? Because alone meant death. You couldn't fight off a tiger with your bare hands, so your brain learned, if I'm alone, I'm in danger. Even today, that fear hasn't gone away. A study asked people, would you rather sit with your thoughts for 15 minutes or get an electric shock? Guess what? 67% of men and 25% of women chose pain over silence. People couldn't handle 15 minutes with their own mind. But here's the crazy part, these are the same thoughts they live with every single day. Let me tell you about lions. The king of the jungle doesn't roll in packs. He doesn't need to. He walks alone. He leads alone. He conquers alone because leaders don't follow the crowd. Leaders lead it. Be alone. That's the secret of invention. Newton. He wasn't in a lab when he discovered gravity. He was sitting under a tree alone. Bill Gates takes a think week every year. No internet, no tech. Just his thoughts and a notebook. Why? Because that's where the real magic happens. When I started my YouTube journey, I had barely 3 to 4 friends. Most days, I was alone. No noise, no parties, no distractions, just me, my ideas, and silence. And guess what? That's when I found myself. When you're alone, you stop pretending, you stop performing, you start reflecting, you start asking, who am I really? And that question might just change your life. Want to master the world? First, master yourself, understand your emotions. Because guess what? Brands like Nike and Harley Davidson, they don't sell shoes, they sell feelings. And to tap into others' feelings, you gotta understand your own first. So listen, isolation isn't punishment, it's preparation. Be alone. Create, focus, heal. Because one day, the world will line up just to hear your voice. If this message hit home, like this video. Share it with someone who feels alone right now. And if you're new here, subscribe, because this channel is made for minds like yours. Until next time, stay real, stay focused.